I'm Carlos Diaz. I'm part of the Supply Planning Center of Excellence in BAT, in British American Tobacco. And together with the Kinaxis platform team, we have one mission: end-to-end touchless planning and automated decisions. We are a CPG company, multi-category. We are well known for the production of tobacco and cigarettes, but our company is shifting more to the smokeless products, what we call them new categories. Starting with vapor, which our main brand is Vuse. This category is adding an extra level of complexity. The devices produced in Asia by a third-party manufacturing, the consumables subcontracting model as well produced in Asia and distributed across the whole world. Sales increasing everywhere in the world, expanding to new markets, giving capacity headaches not only to our colleagues in the factories but as well to our suppliers. We are organized in 3 regions, and we use one planning system, and this is Kinaxis, that allows us to have everything in one place, one single process. As I mentioned before, we have a combination of in-house production, externally procured, subcontracting model, all kinds of models that you can imagine. Our Kinaxis users are above market planners. This means that they were moved from the factories into central locations to share the knowledge, to get standardized. And we are very proud to use concurrent planning. What does it mean? We plan finished goods, semi-finished goods, and materials all in Kinaxis. We step away from the sequence and planning. We break silos, and we have one number, all synchronized, fast information, fast decision making. We have been very ambitious and tried to adopt as many functionalities as possible. We empower the people. Now they know how to use the system. They are concurrent. They can make fast decisions, data-driven decisions. Our mission: deliver end-to-end touchless planning and autonomous decisions to add value to our consumers and customers.